Part 2 of finding the bird.
Finding the bird. But we saw like a bent ball. Hold on. Let me see if I can find it again. Wait a minute. Where'd it go? I can't find it.
I got. Oh, let's go there.
All
Get
right.
that.
Get
Here,
that
do you want to
box.
get the camera?
Sure.
Okay, guys, we're now looking for the bird. We're looking for the baby bird. The savage.
These savage people. We made it in a YouTube channel.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go live.
So he's gonna make him a YouTube channel. So follow him on YouTube. It's these savage people.
Start.
To continue of his YouTube channel, just follow him, like his videos, subscribe to them, and go check out his videos.
Right, come on.
Let's go. When you want to record, just press the record button.
No, I'll go live on YouTube.
Oh, live?
Yeah.
Oh.
My fucking camera's broken.
I got the box for the bird. We just got this from the dumpster.
How we did it?
Oh, it was in the dumpster.
That's good. I'm worried. I'm worried. Doesn't matter. Okay, guys. We are looking for a baby bird. Ain't that right, Nathan?
Yeah.
So, let's go.
Let's go. Let's be super quiet for the bird.
Be quiet for the bird.
And we have to
So if y'all hear anything,
pick something up or something
if y'all see anything, tell us in the comments.
down below.
I'm on the camera like really trashy right now. That's like the midday. I guess it's just a regular fall. Looking for a bird.
To get
Mommy!
the money.
Birdie bird.
Bird.
Where could he be? Where could he be?
We saw him right here, but he disappeared.
He was over here.
Then he went
This little
over
area.
there.
And
He went over, like, over there.
then, y'all see anything?
When you all see what the baby bird, just leave the comments below and just like follow.
Oh,
And
yeah, I think it's
see if you see them, just let us know. My friend's going up. Trust me, guys, because he does savage moments all the time. So that's why all the thing it's all about. If you want to make him do a savage part, just leave the comments below.
If you want me to do stuff savage, like I'm savage.
I'll put this here. Jeez.
It's like up higher. It's best but down low. It's like trash. Desktop.
And I got like internet, so
Hey guys, okay, we're gonna go to Nathan's house and figure
So-
this point out.
so let's go to my house.
To figure this thing out.
So if you go smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and tap that bell for notifications. See you later.